All good. Go.
We all rely on infrastructure on a daily basis. We easily commute to work, have access to water and energy, but the main problem is infrastructure, and that it's aging, just like all of us. And in order to predict potential failures, we need to have more data. And what's the best way to collect the data? It's by utilizing autonomous drones. I'm Egor Folley, the founder of Artial, and we are building advanced AI solutions to become the global leader of autonomous drone inspections. To be specific, in a single year, a person traveled up to 60,000 kilometers, and one power plant supplied more than 800,000 homes. The essential elements of the economic growth is infrastructure. More than $2 trillion globally invested in infrastructure, and yet we have poor quality of assets. Let's be more specific. The tragic collapse in Italy, the Genoa Bridge, resulted in 43 deaths and nearly €500 million in damages. And you know what was the problem? Only 5% of bridge was corroded and was not identified by the traditional methods of inspections. And that's the example how lack of information can cause you major incidents. And traditional methods of inspections are ineffective. They are risky and dangerous for people. And they are so complicated, it takes you at least 2 people to control a drone flight. And this is precisely why Artial is here. We deploy a self-flying machine so they can autonomously collect all the data, giving you complete and accurate views of your infrastructure with less complexity and risk, 3 times more effective, 40% faster. And while some companies give you manually controlled drones, others provide you with drone platforms, we are building AI-driven software. So this way you can easily integrate it into your business workflow, make it more data-driven and impactful decision-making. All in all, we are making the digital transition for construction infrastructure companies. We're using autonomy. This way the companies can easily inspect the infrastructure that exists already, as well as the project planning for the build. So all in all, we're making fully autonomous digitalization using drones. This way the companies can lay the work on the drones, while you can focus on more important tasks. I started this path alone with the vision to bring a true autonomy to construction tech. And it's important to have a strong team with you to build a great company. That's why together with Deepak, who has more than 8 years of experience in building autonomous flying machines, and Nick, who has been scaling robotics companies from 0 to 1, we can make this revolution happen. We have already 2 pilot projects coming, and my only request to you, if you have connection in those companies, please let us share vulnerable network via this QR code so we can help the construction companies reduce the price, time, and even save human life. You're a great audience, and thank you for your time.